Hi everybody, this is Crystal. A little tip for today from Bagoday Crochet about hats. Did you know that I have a 21-inch circumference head? It's measured from here all the way back. And as you can see, this hat fits me just fine. Did you know as well, I have a 6-year-old daughter who has a 19-inch circumference head. And this hat fits her as well too. I also have a 17-year-old son who has a 23-inch circumference head, and this hat fits him perfectly as well. So I just wanted to let you know that it's a misconception that that children need smaller hats than adults. Now that is true in some cases, but most children ages 5 and up will wear adult-sized hats because the yarn stretches and expands and goes back so much. It also depends on the type of the yarn that you use, but in most settings, I'm going to say that children ages 5 and up will be able to wear an adult size hat. So that's why when I work with the anti-bullying campaign, Hat Not Hate, where they distribute blue hats to children, they always ask for adult size hats because children wear the same size hats as adults in most cases. So just a little tidbit in case you didn't know. Don't forget to check out my hundreds of crochet tutorials, as well as my crochet hats, which I have well over 100 tutorials of those, and I'll put a link to my hat tutorial list below. Thanks everybody. Bye guys.